Today we're at the grand opening of a local petting zoo. Let's see what activities and animals Eli and Ezra can find. Here's Seymour, the red dinosaur.
Look at me, Eli.
Time
Say
for a
cheeseburgers. Cheese. Thank you. So cute. Go pick a sticker. Eli, your turn to pick a sticker.
Oh, stickers. Oh, stickers.
Those stickers are so cool. Now it's time for Eli and Ezra to ride the merry-go-round. They both have a black horse. That looks so fun.
Horsey.
Say hi. Wave at mommy. Hi, kids. You're going to say hello to the nice lady in costume?
Say hi. I'm wearing an outfit from the Victorian era. These are my play clothes.
Whoa.
Visit my friends.
That's really cool, huh?
The ladies today.
Yeah, you want to do one, Ezra? Say cheese, Ezra. You gotta look at mommy. Say cheese. All right, great.
Looks like Eli and Ezra found some bubbles. Oh, and there's Thomas.
Thomas. Popping bubbles. Oh, and dear Thomas.
Ezra and Eli also get to take pictures on this huge tractor.
Let's just try to control over this. So let's just try to.
Which one did you pick? Oh, wow. Cool, Eli.
What is it?
Oh, you got a duck, Ezra. You like it? All right. Hi, little duck.
It's right his tattoo. Whatever.
It's just like the tattoo that Ezra has. That's right, a ducky duck. What do you see there, Eli?
Bunny rabbit. Bunny rabbit. Chicken. This is a chicken.
We liked the park so much, we came back to the zoo the next day.
You gonna pet him?
The cow. Cow. Love cows.
Let's look in here, Eli. Let's see what we see. What do you see, Eli? It's a deer.
Here's some food you can feed the pet. This is a Shetland sheep, native to Scotland.
See. See.
Wait for the animal to come.
His nose.
Yeah, pat his nose, Eli.
Exactly what it means. Isabel is not. So you are now at store.
Okay, say bye-bye to him, Mr. Sheep.
It's everywhere. It's everywhere.
Time to clean up.
Hi kids, we're having a giveaway. One lucky kid will win an Amazon gift card. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. When we reach 1,000 subscribers, we'll choose the winner.